This is my short post on how long it took me to receive my 2017 California state refund. There's 3 statuses, actually 4. When you send it your tax return, it's in a limbo state. Then when it gets received, it changes to received with a check mark. And then when it gets processed, it gets a check mark. And finally, when your refund is issued, you get a check mark. So, how long did it take me to get my tax refund filed by mail? It took me approximately 31 days. Sent it out on February 14th. I received my direct deposit on March 16th. So if you go to California's FTB website, you can check their status. Again, I mailed by mail the tax return on 2/14, the long form, and it says it'll take 2 weeks if you e-file and 4 weeks by paper. There's not an easy way to file. I wanted to file online for free, but usually I have to use some kind of software like TurboTax or something, and it might be free, but it might cost some money. I think in most cases it'll cost some money, so I did it by mail because it was cheap. I checked the status on California's FTB website every day for the first week. No change. It didn't say received or anything. Second week, again, nothing. Finally, 3 weeks later, I received no status update, so I messaged the FTB through their California FTB website. I have a login account there, and so on 3/9 I did that, and they said they didn't see anything on their side, but it was normal to have a not received status, even though it's probably been received and might even be processing. But they said since I didn't send my tax return certified by mail, that I might have to resend my tax forms. I can't believe how long it takes just to get the status changed to received, but it did say on here that it takes up to 4 weeks to process. It's just, if they know the status, why don't they update it? So luckily, at the end of that day, the status is changed over to received. And then 2 days later, on the 11th, it changed to processing. And finally, a day after, it went to refund sent. So I think that was about 27 days later. And then they said, please allow 10 days for the direct deposit, or 25 days. I did direct deposit, and it only took me 4 more days to receive my direct deposit. So, just wanted to send a note to California FTB. If you can maybe change the first status a little sooner, it might cause less concern by us taxpayers. Thank you.